मुझे दोष मत दो। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. अब इसे बदल दो। Change the subject now. Change the subject now. अब विषय मत बदलो। Don't change the subject now. Don't change the subject now. कभी भी निराश मत होना। Never get disappointed. Never get disappointed. क्या जरा यह थैली पकड़ोगे? Could you hold this bag for a minute? Could you hold this bag for a minute? क्या जरा पर्दा खींचोगे? Would you draw the curtain please? Would you draw the curtain please? जरा स्टेशन का रास्ता दिखाएंगे? Could you show me the way to the station? Could you show me the way to the station? क्या कल्पना है? What an idea! What an idea! कितना आलसी लड़का है? What a lazy boy! What a lazy boy! क्या दिमाग है उसका? What a mind he has! What a mind he has! कितनी जल्दी दिन निकल गए? How quickly the days have passed! How quickly the days have passed! कितना झूठा है वह? He is such a liar! He is such a liar! उसे देर हो सकती है। He can be late. He can be late. मैं खुश होऊंगा। I will be happy. I will be happy. मैं खुश था। I was happy. I was happy. वह तैयार नहीं है। She is not ready. She is not ready. यह मेरा काम नहीं है। This is not my job. This is not my job. मैं अध्यापक हूँ। I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. मैं आदमी हूँ, मशीन नहीं। I'm a human being, not a machine. I'm a human being, not a machine. वे क्यों नहीं तैयार थे? Why were they not ready? Why were they not ready? मैं तुम्हारा बहुत आभारी हूँ। I'm very thankful to you. I'm very thankful to you. वह आज अनुपस्थित है। He is absent today. He is absent today. उसकी उम्र मुझसे दुगनी है। He is twice my age. He is twice my age. हरी मेरा छोटा भाई है। Hari is my little brother. Hari is my younger brother. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. वह घर पर नहीं हो सकता है। He may not be at home. He may not be at home. मुझे चाय की आदत है। I'm used to tea. I'm used to tea. मुझे 7 से पहले घर पहुंचना जरूरी है। I must get home before 7. I must get home before 7. क्या तुम्हें इतनी जल्दी निकलना चाहिए? Must you leave so soon? Must you leave so soon? मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था वह इतना स्वार्थी है। I had never thought he would be so selfish. I had never thought he would be so selfish. मुझे लगा वह कभी नहीं आएगा। I thought he would never come. I thought he would never come. आपको क्या चाहिए सर? What would you like sir? What would you like sir? मैं खुद को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ। I consider myself lucky. I consider myself lucky. तुम झूठ बोलते हो। You lie. You lie. मुझे लगता है। I think. I think. उन्हें ऐसा लगता है। They think so. They think so. हमारी दुकान सुबह 9 बजे खुलती है। Our shop opens at 9 a.m. Our shop opens at 9 a.m. मैं मेरी गलती मानता हूँ। I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. वह दिन भर काम करता है। He works all day. He works all day. यह बस पुणे जाती है। This bus goes to Pune. This bus goes to Pune. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. हमें आपकी मदद की जरूरत है। We need your help. We need your help. मेरा विश्वास है कि परमेश्वर है। I believe that God exists. I believe that God exists. उसमें आत्मविश्वास का अभाव है। He lacks self-confidence. He lacks self-confidence. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। I want your advice. I want your advice. मुझे आपके पिता से मिलने की इच्छा है। I want to meet your father. I want to meet your father. उसे मधुमेह की तकलीफ है। He suffers from diabetes. He suffers from diabetes. उसने मुझे धक्का दिया। He pushed me over. He pushed me over. मैंने कल उससे इस बारे में बात की। I spoke to him about this study. I spoke to him about this study. उसने समय का सदुपयोग किया। He made good use of time. He made good use of time. क्या मैं आपको स्टेशन छोड़ दूं? Shall I drop you at the station? Shall I drop you at the station? बहुत ठंड है। क्या मैं खिड़की बंद कर दूं? It's very cold. Shall I shut the window? It's very cold. Shall I shut the window? मैं अब निकल रहा हूं। I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. आप मुझे भ्रमित कर रहे हैं। You are confusing me. You are confusing me. दिवाली आ रही है। दिवाली is coming. दिवाली is coming. मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. मेरी पीठ में दर्द है। My back is aching. My back is aching. पाइप से पानी टपक रहा है। Water is leaking from the pipe. Water is leaking from the pipe. आपकी चाय ठंडी हो रही है। Your tea is getting cold. Your tea is getting cold. मैं सोच रहा था। I was thinking. I was thinking. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो। You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? If you like this video guys, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please guys hit the bell icon button